I'm Alex Reid from Reid Construction. I'm our Business Improvement Manager. Reid Construction are a regional SME based in Wrexham in North Wales, and we're main contractors to the public and the private sector, specialising in hospitals, schools, further education establishments. We used Sell2Wales as our primary tender opportunity notification service. Any construction projects that the clients publicise through Sell2Wales, we get a notification by email straight from Sell2Wales of that opportunity as soon as it's registered on their site. It's a simple service, easy to use and very effective. This is Shotton Primary Amalgamation in Flintshire, and this was a project that was notified to us through Sell2Wales. We were successful in that tender process, and we're now on site building a substantial new primary school. It's in the region of £6.5 million construction. So for our company, that's substantial. There's no reason why any company should not be registered on Sell2Wales. It's so simple and straightforward, and it doesn't cost you anything apart from a few minutes' time to register. Sell2Wales has been very important in our business for the last 3 years, and it certainly will be in the forthcoming financial year. Probably over 60% of our work has resulted from a Sell2Wales notification.